So it's time to get started with Module 1. Module 1 has 3 different parts to it. The first part is the syllabus. Please take the time to read the syllabus very carefully and thoroughly because it has lots of important information there for you, including the class policies. Read the class policies and make sure you understand them. If you don't, post to the general discussion thread for the class. This is where we should post all general class questions that aren't specific to any module or a particular assignment, but rather just to the class as a whole. If it's not of a personal nature, please use the discussion forum. That way, if other classmates have the same question, they will also get the same answer at the same time. So once you understand the class policies, there's the student acknowledgement form. Download the student acknowledgement form and sign it. You can e-sign it, and by that I mean type your name using a word processing software such as Microsoft Word, or you can use a wet signature. So then you would download the student acknowledgement form, print it, sign it, scan it, and then upload it. Whether or not you use a wet signature or an e-signature, you're going to need to upload and submit the signed student acknowledgement form. And once you sign your student acknowledgement form, what that's saying is it's basically your promise to me saying that you understand the class policies and that you agree to abide by them. And in addition, you will gain some important Canvas skills. So you'll learn how to download a document and upload and submit an assignment. The second part of Module 1 is the introductory post. So you're going to need to introduce yourself. Who are you? Just give us an idea of who you are. And there is a rubric for the introductory post. Be sure that you read the rubric first. After you and all your classmates have posted, then you'll want to reply to at least 2 other classmates to their introductions. So there is a rubric for your reply. Be sure to read the reply rubric also before you write your replies. For all discussion posts, I really recommend that you type whatever it is you plan on posting into a word processing software first, like a Word document. That way you can kind of plan out what you're going to say and plan a thoughtful response. Since we don't have the benefit of face-to-face interaction, I think it's really important to write thoughtful and considerate introduction or considerate post in general. And then you would copy and paste it from the Word document into the discussion thread. And then the third part is the information literacy test. You'll only have one chance at this, so make sure you plan appropriate times to take it. And the point of the information literacy pretest is it's going to give us a baseline. It's going to help us understand where you start, what kind of skills you start the class with. And then at the end of the course, everyone's going to take the same test, and then that'll give us an idea of how much you've learned, how much you've grown during the course of the semester, okay? So I look forward to reading everybody's introduction post and getting to know each of you. And let's get started.